Hi guys! Say hi.
Hi guys, my name is Sophie and here's Mommy.
Hello!
And today I'm going to show my book again kasi mali yung ano ko kay Nina eh.
Yung?
Yung pag nag-cry ako kasi mali, hindi si-said ni Mommy sa YouTube yun eh.
Kasi guys, nag-retake ako. Pinaulit. May ni-record na kami kanina. Yung ni-record niya, nung pinanood namin, gosh, ang dami niyang mga facial expressions. Ayan, ganyan.
Wait,
Tapos may mga crying moments pa siya.
Yes,
Sabi ko, let's do it again.
Yes, but it's correctly.
But it's correct. Tsaka is nice sa camera.
Yeah.
Kahit na medyo malabo yung camera natin. Para
Yeah.
makita nila na yun.
And I'll show you again my clips. Kasi,
Guys, wait lang ha. Guys, sorry kung medyo po malabo yung camera namin. Wala kasi kaming medyo magandang camera pa. So now, iPad lang to. We're planning to buy pero wala pang date kung kailan. Hopefully, makakuha kami. Isa.
what am I
Sophie, go.
And we do have camera actually, we just have iPad. And I'll show you my clips again kasi isa kasi matama kasi hindi tama.
Yung clip. Sige, show niya daw sa inyo yung mga clips niya.
Ulit.
Go, show them.
I'm gonna show first. This one?
This one first. That one was given to you by
Muffy.
Mafi is your
Best friend.
best friend in
School.
school. So this one, ang cute-cute, ang sweet-sweet nila. Nagbibigayan sila ng clip. Sige, show them. Wow, nice.
And I try another clip.
Okay, show them another clip. Who gave that to you?
Mommy!
Where did we buy that?
I don't know.
Circle C.
Circle C. We
It's
buy
nice,
this.
no?
We
Cute.
buy this
Ang
in
cute niya.
Circle C.
Oh, take this. Oh, cute.
It
20
matches
pesos lang
to-
siya. Ang ganda-ganda. Ang cute.
And it matches
Terno
to me.
pa.
Try. Wait. I know.
Okay. Get me.
Okay, I'll just match it.
Okay. One more.
Oh. It's so wrong.
Si Daddy pala nasa baba. Nagwo-watch ng basketball.
Yeah, she likes basketball.
And mamayang 10 o'clock, semifinals na yata ng sa FIBA. Yung
Yeah.
Philippines versus Japan. So, hopefully, manalo Philippines, makaabot tayo sa finals.
Yay! And I'll show you my book again.
Okay, she's gonna show
No,
you
I'll
her
open Mommy's
book.
book first.
Mommy's book, hindi naman interesting hindi naman interesting to eh. Kay Sophie na lang, maganda.
I'll show my book. So
Wow!
my favorite is this one.
Who
and
gave
that.
this book to you?
Tita Tintin.
O, Tita Tintin is my sister-in-law, my husband's sister.
And
Na nasa Canada. Binigay niya
my
kay
favorite is two princesses. And how much princesses do you love? 3 or 5?
I just love one princess. And this is the princess I love.
I like 2 princesses.
Because
I like
gusto ko yung mga songs sa movie. Lalo na yung Look at this stuff. Isn't it
gusto ko
neat?
tong song.
Maganda din yung songs ni Tangled sa Ano nga ba yan yung songs? Kanta yung mga,
Hindi ko na alam.
can remember. Si Merida, pretty din. Lahat naman sila, si Tiana, si this one, si Belle.
Belle. And I'll show you.
Pero ang pinakagusto kong gown ng mga princess, si Belle, yung yellow dress niya. Ang ganda-ganda.
I'll show you. Okay,
Ayan,
this is the
show niya
purple
yung-
one. This
Ito
is
yung
the
first
purple.
page. Ito yung first part lang
Yeah.
po. It has 300 pages pala, guys. Ganda niya.
Show
For
you.
little children.
Yeah, for a little. Oh. Okay, wait lang.
Get careful. Baka
Yeah.
you will,
There.
This is the first story, Tangled.
Oh.
Beyond the Tower.
There.
Like that.
Here, hold on a second. Hold it. Oh,
Ouch.
sorry.
It's okay.
I just want this one. Mommy said. Mommy says. Okay. This
Ganda siya.
one's
Parang
okay.
lahat Sa
Chipping.
each Disney princess, meron siyang story dito. Tigda dalawang story per Disney princess. So, sulit siya. Maganda siya. Hindi ko lang alam kung magkano. Hindi ko lang alam kung meron dito sa Philippines nito. Ganda. Yan o. Ganda pala ng mga box ng ano. Tapos medyo ano siya, glossy. Hardbound, glossy. Tapos pag kinlose mo siyang ganun, so wait lang ah. Pag kinlose mo siya may silver lining. Ano ba tawag doon?
Silver.
Ganda. Kumikintab-kintab.
Mommy, come on, hold it. This
You're
one.
gonna show them each page? It would take too long, very long. Sophie, we cannot show them each page.
No, I can show them.
We can show them in another video.
I want.
Okay.
Mommy, but I want to show it many pages.
Sige, sit down. Mahaba niya, story mahaba siya. Medyo makapal nga siya. Ang dami niyang pictures, very colorful.
Hello.
Kaya lang no, si tiniklop mo na anak. Oh, ayun. Medyo pagaling na pala siya sa asthma niya. Ka-third day niya na.
Mommy.
Tinatanong ko nga sa doctor kung kailangan niya na talaga ng medyo mahaba-habang maintenance na gamot. Kasi 3 consecutive months na siyang inaatake. Diba hindi maganda sa heart yung lagi ina-asthma? Diba?
Look, that's Cinderella.
Ay, hindi naman na nakikita. Ayan.
There.
Cinderella.
That's
Where?
Cinderella. There. You see it?
Is this Cinderella?
Yeah.
Oh, pretty
Cinderella.
siya.
But
Actually, one story pa lang nababasa namin ni Sophie dito, yung first story. This one, Cinderella.
yeah.
Do you want them to show this in another video? We will cut this down. Kasi it's gonna take too long, oh.
Oh,
It's already 7 minutes na.
oh my
It will
gosh.
be boring na if you will,
Oh.
yeah.
Mm.
We will stop and then we will video again.
Mm.
Say bye-bye to them.
Let me look.
Thank you for watching. Oh, gusto niya pa kasi. Pero guys, medyo mahaba na kasi. We will record another video na lang separately. Each story kung kaya. Okay? So, bye-bye na, so. Say bye-bye. Punog tong puno. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.